Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today we have issue 48 of Build the Spitfire. Now, if you've got your issue 48 of the Spitfire, you'll know exactly what I'm on about. There's not that much to do, and well, I'll show you that in a minute, why there's not much to do. But yeah, this model is really coming along, and yeah, there's not much to do because you know, we have had issues where things have come in and we've had absolutely loads to do. So sometimes it is just nice to get that bit of a break issue. So let's get started on this. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Right, okay, I'll show you why there's not a lot to do, because that's it. So we have the parts checklist. And then we also have the part, and that's completed work. We actually have nothing to build. Coming in the next issue, we've just got a motor and a cable label, so I don't think there's going to be much to do in that one either. But we will get the part out, and we will have a look at it, because this is the cable assembly for the left aileron. And as you can see, try and do this, we've got like a cog section there. And then we've got this sort of, what I would call bicycle wire for brakes, I would say. That looks very familiar. And then we've got the end here. And then we've also got this metal sheath. And this is all metal. So we've got that there. So yeah, it's very similar to bicycle cable for the brakes and the gears and stuff. So, but it seems to be coated. So yeah, that is this issue. That is all we have to do. So what I always like to do, put the part back in the box, lid back on, put that aside, and then it doesn't get damaged. So guys, that's issue 48 complete. Well guys, you get it. You get times where you just get a part and you do nothing. That's all it can be said about that one. I think we had a couple of times we had that with the R2D2 where we just got a part, or the Rootmaster where we just got a figurine and nothing to build. So yeah, you might think it's a waste of a week's issue, but it is what it is, and we've just got to appreciate that. So hopefully what normally happens, I've noticed in most part works, is you'll have a few easy issues, so very little to do, and then you'll get a doozy. You'll get a massive one where it just completely takes up your time, and that's what happens. But they have got to stretch it out over the issues. So if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always guys, stay safe and bye for now. I'd just like to give a shout out to all my patrons that help and support the channel. Please check out their channels on YouTube as well, and thank you very much for watching.